Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of importing a UDP custom config file using the HTTP Custom VPN app. Whether you want to enhance your browsing speed or improve security, this guide has got you covered. If you find this video helpful, please support us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Now let's dive right in. First, you need a UDP custom config file. Here's how to get it. Open your browser and search for UDP and slow DNS files. Look for the official website in the search results and click on it. Once you're on the home page, expand the menu by tapping the hamburger icon at the top left corner. Select UDP config from the menu. A small window will pop up with an option labeled HTTP Custom File. Click on it. This will take you to the download page, where a 10-second countdown will start. Wait for it to finish. Once the download button appears, click it to proceed. On the next page, you'll see a list of available config files. Choose the latest HTTP custom config file, tap on it, and hit download. The file will be saved to your device's storage. Now, make sure you have the latest version of the HTTP Custom VPN app installed. If you don't have it yet, go to the Google Play Store, search for HTTP Custom VPN, and install the app. Once installed, open the app to begin the configuration process. On the app's homepage, tap the ++ icon to open a drop-down menu. From the available options, select Open Config. This will open your device's download folder. Locate the UDP custom config file you downloaded earlier, select it, and confirm the import. Within a few seconds, the config file will be successfully added to the app. Now that the config file is imported, it's time to connect. Tap the Connect button on the app's homepage. Within moments, your VPN connection will be established, providing you with secure and fast browsing. And that's it! You've successfully imported and used a UDP custom config file with HTTP Custom VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.